We're ready to go, so why don't you tell the folks what we're doing?
Yes, so this is the Interceptor by Stunt Double. We have now added a new ESC, which is a 6S ESC from a drone motor, or drone aircraft. Two 6S motors, which I'm put down here, which I think is a T motor.
You'll have to speak into this mic here.
I'll go talk into that. And yeah, this is going to be its re-maiden on 6S, and we're going for try and get over 150, which
We got 147, 146, 147 previously.
so we should be good for 200 today.
If we get 180, I would be happy.
I think 180 would be a nice number, wouldn't it?
It would.
If anyone can do it, it's got to be Dom. So
Right, let's
make
just
sure you
check.
hit record.
Yeah.
You might only get one go.
Recording. All right, and I'm on high rates. All right. God, I'm terrified of this thing. All right. Ready.
Middle rates.
Just tracking out to the tree line over here.
You can't see on the photo that comes through, but well, we get Dom.
Hold on. 141. Oh, I'll pick up a bit of altitude. Nearly coming up to 400 feet. Tracking around. $150.
Hey, 150.
Oh my word. It's so shaking. I don't know why. 330 feet. Pulling around. Get so far away from the patch so quickly.
How's your pack voltage?
Not actually focused. It's not flashing, so I should be okay. 22, 3.7 volts. One pass, more pass.
Oh, that was the money shot.
Oh, 153.
153.
And that's not the hot rate.
We go for one more.
Yeah, go on, send it. We can recharge.
400. This is slightly higher, probably at 450 feet now. At the tree line, pulling around, diving in. $159.
Probably.
So I want to land. I want to land uphill.
Yeah, you want to land uphill, 100%.
Straight down the street.
High rates.
Switching to high rates. Losing some height. Square circuit. On the final. $41 miles an hour.
Beautiful.
Is that okay?
I think that was your best landing.
Really, was it good? That was quite a steep approach. Brilliant. 159 miles an hour.
Not as much as we hoped.
No.
So,
No, and that was from about 400 feet. So the only way I think I could go faster is to do a reversal. But the problem is when you do a reversal, you're going out, all you're seeing is blue sky, so you don't know when to stop. It's not flying line of sight. You know when you're inverted. And I'd have to go by the, you got the angles, you got pitch and roll angles, so I'd need to use the roll angle, I guess. But the good news is that Nick can have a go now. We're going to recharge. Nick's shaking his head. Because that is just worth watching, just for the expression on Nick's face. All right, we're going to recharge. We're going to go again.
oh, that was the money shot.
Oh, 153.
153.
Diving in. $159.